If you are buying your first guitar, don't choose the most expensive one. Actually, don't even choose the cheapest one. Most beginners buy the wrong guitar for the wrong reason. The best first guitar is not about price. Don't buy your first guitar yet. Not the expensive one. Not the expensive one like this. Not the cheap one. Before you spend your money, you need to know these 4 things. The point 1. Choose your goal first. Before you choose a guitar, choose your music you like. Do you like rock? Do you like a metal? Or blues, pop? Different music needs different guitars. Your favorite player can help you choose. Point 2. Think about where you will play. Will you only play at home, or do you want to play in a band with your friend, at church, on stage? Your goal changes what you need. This is the James Taylor guitar, the most expensive one in my collections. Please do not spend all your money on the guitar. Many beginners make this mistake. They buy an expensive guitar and a cheap amp. Today some guitars even have an amp and effect built in, like this. It has amp and effector in here. So think about your total budget. I recommend buy new one. If something is wrong, you have a warranty. Also, you can return that one. It is much safer. The best first guitar is not the most expensive one. It is the guitar that makes you want to play every day.